Grabe, this is my first community tour here at Taytay and sobrang amazing talaga, guys.
Thank you, Lazada. Na-inspire ako lalo to grow more about my online business.
Thank you, Lazada. It was a very unforgettable day today because we have lots of experience, learnings, and yung mga bagong network dito sa Bacoor. Salamat, Lazada.
Natutunan, very informative lahat ng speaker at yung event masaya. Thank you Lazada sa event na to at malaki natutulong sa amin as seller. Thank you.